Alright, so getting ready to do internal frame coating on this. This is our new internal frame coating plus. This is our best performing product that we've developed to market. It's over 1,000 hours of salt spray, real high solids, nice coverage in there. I'm going to do 2 coats on this, and so I'll use 2 cans. And this is our newest wand here. This one, you'll be able to get into any of the areas. You can see, open up any of these taped holes, you'll be able to thread the nozzle in, I'll show you that, and then cover all of the areas. So why all the tape? 2 reasons. 1, I already finished the exterior of the frame, so I don't want any overspray on there. And 2, you paid for this product as an internal frame coating product. Let's keep it inside. Gonna try something here today. Got a bore scope hooked up to the iPad, and we're going into one of the rear frame legs of this subframe. So there you can see the bore scope in there, got a high intensity light, trying to get the clearest image that I can to show you the corrosion that's inside there. So that's what the image looks like on the iPad. This is the actual image inside from the camera. So you can see there's heavy corrosion, not a lot of loose. The reason for that is because I took a blowgun through there first. Tried to get out all the loose debris that I could. And here we go, the fun part. Simply just start spraying into each of the taped holes, making sure your coverage overlaps where the wand reached from the hole before. It's really simple. The conical design spray nozzle will assure that you're getting coverage on top, bottom, and sides through the entire frame section. So here's the bore scope back into that rear frame leg, and you can see 100% coverage in there. This has great creep properties that'll go up into that welded seam. This is that front area there again. Look at the gloss. We have that completely covered in there and saturated. That's what we want. So here it is, it's all done. I'm gonna let this thing bleed out for the rest of the afternoon here. Whatever wants to drip, I'll let it. But you can see it's now, exterior's finished real nice. The inside is sealed against any further corrosion, which just gives you that peace of mind. You know, yeah, I could have bought an aftermarket subframe for $1,200. Could have done a roadster shop chassis for 12 grand, which would have been the ultimate. But this, it's gonna be a nice driver is what I want. So I wanted to just take what I had. It didn't have any rust holes in it. It was good. Wanted to just protect it, give it another 40 years worth of life in here. I'll put this back together. People who know me know I like driving these things. So it costs about $80 to do this, but in the scheme of things, I'm gonna have about 20 grand into the car. I don't wanna have to take it apart 2 years from now because I got rust there, because I skimped and saved 80 bucks. It's nice just doing it now. You got that peace of mind. You put everything back together. Don't have to worry about it.